Let's draw a snail. First, draw a smile. Nicely done. Draw the snail's tentacles. Green. Now, draw the snail's body. Now, draw a shell for your snail. Deep pink. A long swirl. You have made a marvelous snail. Wow! How neatly your snail crawls. Play with your own drawing. You are making such wonderful pictures. Let's draw some more. Let's draw a beautiful butterfly. First, draw the butterfly's head. Draw its mouth. Black. Now, draw the butterfly's antennae. How beautiful! Now, draw a long oval. This will be the butterfly's wings. Yellow. Deep pink. And now, decorate it with beautiful designs. Yellow. That's really good. What a wonderful butterfly you have made. Marvel at how gracefully it flies. Play with your own drawing. You are making such wonderful pictures. Let's draw some more. You may choose what you wish to do. Let's draw a funny caterpillar. Start by drawing its head with antennae. Deep pink. Green. Awesome! And now, make a happy smile. Make the caterpillar's body by drawing a few circles. Draw the first circle. Green. Great! Add the third. Green. Then the fourth one. And one more. Yellow. The fifth circle. What a wonderful caterpillar you've drawn. Just look how gracefully it crawls. Play with your own. You are such a good artist. It's so much fun to play with you. Let's draw some more. Choose another picture to draw. Let's draw a bee. First, draw its mouth. Now, draw its body. Impressive. Now, draw wide stripes on its body. And thin legs. Black. And 2 wings. Yellow. Fantastic! You have made a remarkable bee. Wow! Look how your bee flies and tumbles. Play with your own. You are such a good artist. It's so much fun to play with you. Let's draw a big-eyed dragonfly. First, draw 2 big round eyes. And a long body. Yellow. Draw 2 wings so it can fly. Black. Good job. And 2 more wings. Terrific. Your dragonfly is ready. Just look how merrily it flies.